How you say pop without the smoke, y'all? How you say pop without the smoke, y'all? How you say pop without the smoke?
Yeah, get into it.
Tell me something good.
Feel up, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, today we will be quarantining and slaying. And girl, I know we suck out here. Nail salons is closed, beauty salons is closed, everything is closed right now. So we're going to do our own brows. Nobody about to sit around and wait. You gonna wait? Cause not me. So today, what I'm going to try is grooming my eyebrows. Now I'm not gonna wax them, and I'm not going to thread them because ain't nobody got time for that, for threading. But what I am going to use is my good old Sally Hansen. I don't use Nair, I always use Sally Hansen. You know, for upper lip and other body areas because they have sensitive skin option. And I just feel like it feels better, it smells better. It doesn't give you a tingly, hurting feeling after. So you can use any hair remover of your choice. Nair, Sally Hansen, whatever one you know. You're gonna need a spoolie to brush your eyebrows like you just seen me do. Just to like, you know, portion them. And, well, that we don't need to do because we're trying to get rid of the hairs. But you know, I always tell my eyebrow lady this. I be like, just clean it up for me, just clean it up for me. I want my eyebrows thick. And they don't never listen. It was one lady who listened, but she passed away sadly. She literally helped me grow my eyebrows. Like, she's the only eyebrow lady ever in my life that actually listened. And that's not looking for a bag to have you come back and shit like that. You also are going to need some type of protectant for your skin, even though this is for sensitive skin. I don't trust everything I read, so, you know. Yeah. So I'm just putting the skin protective stuff on top of my eyebrow. I'm not putting it over my eyebrow. On top and under, because that's exactly where I will be putting this stuff. I need any type of Q-tips of your choice. It's my first time doing it, y'all. So hopefully this ain't no fail, but yeah, okay? It's cream developer. So let's try. Let's shape these brows. All right, yeah, this is better. So yeah, like I said, use a skin protector if you're worried about your skin. Alright, so I did the bottom. Let's just make sure we fill it. I like my eyebrows arch. You know? Because I'm an arch bitch. Oh my god. I hope I don't fuck up, y'all, because if I fuck up, I always have an eyebrow pencil, but still, these are my eyebrows. They take forever to grow back. Alright, I hope y'all getting this in your review, because make sure you get the front too, because you got hairs in the front of your brows. So, you know, paint them shits. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ooh. Oh, I'm like missing the camera, I'm sorry y'all. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I am a mess. I feel like I should use a brush. I shouldn't be using a Q-tip. I should use a brush right now. No, I'm just lining it up so that these little bit of hairs that I hair could go away. Because I have a brush here, but this brush big as fuck. Like, who's doing all that? I'm just lining them up the way I would normally do my brows. Because I'm an arch bitch. Yeah. Alright. How that's looking, y'all? That's looking like sisters to y'all, cousins. Oh my god, I think it's looking like cousins. Cause it's dumb. I just always hate too, like when I go to the eyebrow lady and she like, I can always tell she does one eyebrow wrong than the other, because you know when you fill in your brows, you're like, what the fuck? You're just like, why this one takes so long to do? And that's because okay. I just say pop without smoke. There you go. They really killed my nigga Pop, y'all. Like, if you from Brooklyn, let me know in the comments. If you from my pain, for real. He was too young. I might be giving microblade in a millisecond. I might be giving microblade, ha, microblade, yeah. All right, let's just do. I'm being heavy-handed with it because I'm like feeling like maybe you see those little hairs up there. I'm feeling like maybe nothing being put on there, you know. Stay tuned for the final. Right, I'm back on my tweezers. Let me get them a thumbs up if y'all feeling my natural hair tweezers, okay? All right, so we're just gonna start up here. These little bit of hairs. I feel like I should go back over with them, but oh, these actually are coming off. They probably was already supposed to come off. Yes, y'all. So like, let me know in the comments like what y'all been doing during this quarantine. I'm really feeling it. I feel like I said this in my video already, but I'm not gonna hold y'all. I'm kind of feeling the quarantine. Simply because I'm getting shit done. And y'all not wrong if y'all not getting shit done during this time, okay? I'm not a person to be like, oh, I mean, I encourage it, but it's your prerogative. If you want to stay home and take this once in a lifetime to relax and not have to worry about anything, you have every right to, sis. All right, let's get into this brown. She's giving something. She is giving something. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my God. So yeah, the eyebrow lady, she will leave this here for me. So I'm just gonna do what she do. Rest in peace to my eyebrow lady, y'all. Like, rest in peace to her. She was the GOAT. She really was. She was Russian and she was the GOAT. Like, she really cared about taking care of my brow. This brow looks so this brow looks so good. Y'all, I'm not even about to. Like, all right. So we cleaned her up. I can't wait to fill in my brows. Like, am I the only one? Like, let me know in the comments. Am I the only one? Like, yeah, I go and pay to get my brows done. And my friend I had a friend tell me before, what's the point of going to get your brows done if you're always fill them in? She was a girl who don't really fill in her brows or do wear makeup or anything. And I'm like, girl, because like, just in case I want to rock the natural in my man, I could do that. You know, I could still look good when I go to sleep. You get those little hairs right there. Plus, it helps guide you. Like, you know, I just always know when I need my brows done is when it takes me like hours to do my brows. I just always know, like, okay, sis, it's time to go get your brows done. Excuse the glue in my eyebrow, my eyelashes, my eyelids. This brow giving something, y'all. She really is. We're gonna have to go over there to her cousin real quick and see what she giving. But sister over here, she's somebody. Oh my God, get into her. All right, let's go over there to her cousin. Let's see what she giving. She giving cute too. She just need to be a little bit more cleaned up right here. I think she actually needs to be. She's giving cute too. Oh my God, y'all. I just might not ever pay me some $6 again. But I don't know. We're gonna see how my skin reacts to this though, because you know. Alright. She's giving arch 2. But she got little complications going on over here. So maybe I just might re-put this Allianz in. Or I don't know. I kind of want to bring her down some. You know what I'm saying? Like she right here, she's like this. I feel like she too long. And it's always this one too. Cause when I switched my brow person, I feel like it was a guy. I'm not gonna put him up. But I feel like he reshaped my brow some type of way. And it's always this brow that I always be having to like go like this and bring down. So we're gonna be risky right now. We're gonna shorten our brow a little bit. Just a little bit. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. She's missing hair right here, which is really throwing me off. So I feel like I should fill her in just a little bit right now, just so we could see where I usually. Yup, this is so smart. This is very smart of me actually, cause I always do my eyebrows a certain way. So we're just gonna fill in just to see where I usually knock her down at, cause it's always this one. It's been this one for like the longest. Like it's been like always giving hair on the side right here when I'm motherfucking. Alright, we're gonna fix her. We trying to shade you, sis. Cause you always giving problems. You always the one giving problems when I be doing you. So you a cousin, but we gonna try to fake turn you into a sister. You about to be the best friend cousin. You know? Yeah. I keep getting it on my hair. And I be thinking that my hair is gonna fucking fall out. This ain't my hair though, but you know. You know what I'm trying to say. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Alright. Alright. She becoming something. I wanna get rid of that little piece right there. Cause I need the hair right there. I need that hair right there. So I'm gonna remove that. All this hair right here could go. All that hair could go. She's giving something. Yeah? Is she giving sister? Maybe not. We gonna see. This really about to be a quarantine slay, y'all. This is really about to be a quarantine motherfucking slay. I'm gonna do another episode of Quarantine Slay on how to apply strip lashes so that they look like lash extensions. Like, people always compliment me on how I apply my lash strips. They always tell me like, oh, it looks good, or like when I used to serve, or even when I bartend, like people ask me where did I get my extensions from, and I'll be like, girl, these are strips, and they be like, what? I'm like, yeah, honey, these are strips. Let's just apply it like it's little extensions. So I'm gonna give you my little tips and tricks that I do to do that without having to put more eyeliner on your eyes. So I'm gonna be right back, okay? How you say pop without the smoke, y'all? How you say pop without the smoke, y'all? How you say pop without the smoke? Like, tell me something good, cause that's all I need to hear. Is something good in these comments, cause I just wanna effing slay my brows. Like, I ain't really about to call myself self-efficient queen, like, cause I be self-efficient, period. And if y'all feeling this, let me know in the comments. If you is feeling these brows, and let me know in the comments, cause this is not even filled in, honey. I don't have no pencil nowhere, none. Cause I'm not gonna fool y'all. I'm not gonna be like some of them YouTubers who be filling in their brows and then they be like, let me stop. Let me not, it's too early for me to be coming at y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But yeah. So now I'm gonna just add the Aberdeen again because my skin is still, like, I can feel it like reacting to the cream. I'm so happy about my results. I'm so excited. Like, I'm about to do my makeup right now after this, and I'm so excited to fill in my brows because they're gonna look so fucking good. It looks so good. And this is gonna help me grow my brows even thicker because I don't even know. I feel the burn like over here. I definitely gonna put some. I don't think I'm gonna. Ooh, my skin turned out a little red right there. Be careful sometimes, child. Putting this. See, my skin's sensitive. But anyway, I just might not, like, if my skin don't break out after this, like, or like get little bumps and stuff like that, I literally just might not go ever get my eyebrows again done again. Like, this is what I mean. But quarantine be helping me out, and I want to help y'all out too. I want y'all to feel how I feel during this quarantine because I know it's a sad time, but you also need to think of it as a once in a lifetime time. Like, hopefully this don't happen every fucking, excuse me, I curse so much and I don't want to get demonetized, even though I'm not monetized. I don't know why I would get that, but you know, still, I don't want to curse a lot. But hopefully this is a once in a lifetime moment. So I feel like situations like these, I really strive under pressure, and I really strive under I don't want to say misfortune. Okay, maybe misfortune. I strive under that shit, which I feel like is a good thing, and I feel like that should be everybody's goal, because then if you strive under stuff like that, you don't really have to stress. You stress, but it's like, you know the outcome is going to be worth it because you're going to strive in some type of way. Like, that's how, a little back history, I started doing nails. I was struggling around my birthday time. Like, I was out of work for like 3 months, and I've been working since I was 15. I've never been out of work. Like, I've been working since I was 15, so this was a new thing to me. And I have all these bills now because I have a car. I have all these bills now, so it's like I haven't stopped working since 15. So I feel like this moment is helping me learn to do stuff and try stuff that I never thought to try, because it's forcing me, putting me under pressure to do things on my own. But the story, back to what I was talking about my nails, I was out of work for so long and I just didn't have money. I usually spend like $100. I used to spend like over $100 every time I went to get a set. I was spending it on mine. Yeah. So it was my birthday time last year, my 24th birthday. And I was like, I need my nails done. Like, I do my nails all the time. I have my nails done all the time. So that's what made me start doing nails, and I loved it. I loved it, especially since like the first time I did it, it was so good. So I just want you guys to take this Quarantine and Slay series, and when you watching it, I just want you to keep that in mind. Like, try this. I'm telling you, anybody could do it. Like, I'm nobody special. Like, I'm not. And I did this. I lied, y'all. I am special, but you special too, sis. Like, we all special. So let me know in the comments how you feel like I did. And yeah, like, stay tuned for the next Quarantine and Slay, so you can start learning how to slay them lashes, because I know you're gonna be home, but you're gonna want to take pictures for the gram, right? Or you're gonna want to make TikToks, and you gonna want your lashes to look together, right? So stay tuned, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Don't be selfish, help them too. Let them know that you could do your brows too, sis. And I'm gonna keep y'all updated and let y'all know how this Sally Hansen thing, my bad. I'm gonna let y'all know how the Sally Hansen thing reacts, how my skin reacts to it, so you guys can know. I'll let you know in the next Quarantine and Slay. So see you then. See you then. See you then. There we go.